Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping. Dogecoin taking the lead as well. Up 12% today, Dogecoin. I bought Dogecoin a few days ago. Not enough of it, in my opinion. I was trying to slowly enter back in, but we got a huge pump back on Dogecoin. Same with Tesla. 3 days ago, I sold Tesla at 430. It came down to 370 in 3 days, a 16% drop. I wanted to buy it yesterday, but I thought it could drop more. And then we had an 8% bounce back yesterday's trading day, which is massive. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. My Ethereum trade from yesterday, where I added 30 to the position, is pumping. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see my account now back at over 1 mil, which is beautiful. Yesterday we had a pump from 981 to now 1021. So the last 3 days, 981 to 1021. So about $40,000 in the last 3 days up, which is beautiful. Mostly from Ethereum. This is where I bought Ethereum. Yesterday, I added to my 2 days ago, I added to my Ethereum position at 3,300. Now we're at 3,600. My Ethereum trade $14,000, 700 in the profits. My Bitcoin trade $14,000 in the profits. Ethereum trade, the funding fee is still 0.01, so it's paying very small fees. I only paid $231 in fees to make $14,800. And the Bitcoin trade also low fees, 0.003 in fees. So I paid. I'm up 71% on that trade. I paid $342 for $14,000 of profits, which is beautiful. Also, the biggest pumper, MCRT was up 3%, World was up 4%, Doge is up 12.4%. So that $20,000 worth of Doge that I bought pumped. That was a good entry, but I could have entered more actually. Uniswap also up 6%. So Uniswap and Doge making most of those gains, and Ethereum trades, which is beautiful. Let's go into the technicals. You can see Doge was up 12%. Tesla was up 8%. It would have been great to buy it this morning, Tesla, on the open. After it dropped 13%, it would have been a good entry. I sold it at 430. Then we had a drop to 370, which would have been a good entry after a 12%. Or what is that? That would have been a 14% drop. Then we had an 8% bounce back. So quite a good entry would have been here, actually. It was close to my entry 360. I should have entered here. That was a mistake. But I'm mostly in cash now on that Tesla position. Doge up 12%. Uniswap. Let's go into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. Bitcoin 98,000 on the weekly. We have 2 days left on the week. Good candle on the weekly. Stochastic turning up. Volume coming in. On the daily, we're getting a pump out of this descending triangle exactly as I predicted. This was the descending triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out. Target is 101,000. And we're pushing out. Volume is growing. On the 4 hourly pushing out, we came to a low yesterday of 96 and then pushed up all the way to 99 almost. Descending triangle and W formation still in place. So we got this W formation. And we have this descending triangle with the target of 101K. We broke out, got a retest, and then pushed off. If you haven't entered a trade, I would try to catch it on this support now. 95,000. 95,300. Stop loss 94,600. Take profit 108. Risking 899 to make $13,000. With 10x leverage will be $130,000. Opens 95,500. Stop loss 94,600. Take profit 108. Risk toward 15 times. That's a trade I would open on Bitcoin. Let's go into Ethereum and then Doge. Ethereum up as well. Ethereum breaking out of the symmetrical triangle, as I said, and it also retested the triangle exactly as should have been. Builds pressure, breaks out, retest, bounces with volume, and that's what happened. So it confirmed this trade. So the target of this push out will be $3,900, the base of this triangle. So if you measure out the base of this triangle and target 3,900. I would try, if you haven't entered a trade, trying to catch it onto the pullback to supports, at least the daily supports, 3,450. Stop loss 3,000. $3,339, risking $62 per Ethereum, and I would take it all the way to the target of this bigger symmetrical triangle, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course on Ethereum. Massive symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out. The base of the triangle targets 7,800. So that's the trade I would take on Ethereum. 3453, 3391 stop loss, risking 62 per Ethereum to make 4,400. With 10x average will be 44,000. That's what I'll take on Ethereum. Anything, Uni pumped 5%, Tesla 8%. Wow, huge pump in the market. Doge 12%, Ethereum 4%, World 4%. I added more to World. Ton 2%. How was the low on Ton was $4.70. Yeah, the lows of Ton were around $4.50, and now we're at $5.70. So huge pump in the last few days on Ton, from $4.70 to $5.70. Everything having quite a strong move with that. BNB not much, but everything else quite a big move with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go into Doge, 38 cents. On the thinking is Doge came down to 26 on that massive drop going into New Year's and Christmas. 26 cents, then we got a big bounce, and then we broke out of this descending triangle exactly as I predicted, and it came straight to that resistance. Interesting. Let's go into the 4-hourly. 4-hourly W formation. Big cup and handle is forming here. If we get a little bit of resistance here, this could be a huge cup and handle that forms on Doge. And it must be on the X payments that they're going to integrate Doge with X. If we get a pump out like that, target of this would be 43 cents. So if you're looking to get an entry, I would try to catch it from a little bit of a pullback onto supports here, 34 cents, tight stop loss, and then take profit. I would do it to all time towards the highs, because if they announce X payments, it will be a huge pump on Doge. So that's the trade. I'll take 34 cents, stop loss 33 cents, and take profit at 48 cents. But I would let it run, actually. Tesla I wanted to get back into Tesla yesterday. That was big pump. So now from where I sold it, it's only down 5% from where I sold it. I could have entered at 13% down and compounded my trade massively. But I need to see it follow through, because this is like a breakdown, then a retest. If we retest this resistance and then fall, so I've got to see a follow through going in on Monday for Tesla, then I will know. But here would have been a good point to DCA in 374 and 278. These were the big support areas. So DCAing back in is my target at these areas. But congratulations, we're getting a huge pump. Bitcoin trade up 14,400. You watched me open it. Ethereum trade, I added to it yesterday, 14,800. They count over 1 million again, 1.2, which is beautiful. Join us in the Telegram. There's 342 of you online. We're breaking out this descending triangle. Good news, Bitcoin is looking good. Target us 101k. You can see everyone trading in here, sharing. James, thank you very much for the information. You can just see everything that everyone talking together. 342 of you online in here. You can join them in the conversation. The links are down below in the description. Go down below under the video. Bybit bonus, you get a 60k bonus when you trade on Bybit. Weex is giving $200 on just signing up for USA, UK, and Australia. Bitunix 5,500, no KYC, available worldwide. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And let's go into some of your questions. Good info. Can you use SKL? Yes, if there's more requests, do not coin. Toncoin is a scam in my opinion. I don't want to do. Yeah, Mr. Guru Beast. Thank you very much. How to win giveaways? Join them. Fake retest. Doesn't look like it. Pumped. Very technical, informative videos. You're welcome. Please check CRV. I think CRV also ran with that as well. Let's quickly check CRV because I was looking into it. CRV on Binance, also a huge pump on CRV. The low on CRV, we came down to 69 cents and then pumping back to $1. CRV looks strong with inverse head and shoulders, actually. Looks a little bit like inverse head and shoulders. That's my updates in the market. Everyone join us in the Telegram and the links are down below. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Big congratulations to everyone who bought Bitcoin and Ethereum with me on those trades. And Tesla selling, we're still positive 5%, but it pushed back quite strong. It would have been nice to enter at that 370 mark, and then we would have sold, had a 13% pullback, and then bounced 8%. So I have to look into it. I want to see if this retest follows through. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.